हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो जैसा कि मैंने पिछले वीडियो में बताया कि आज मैं वो प्लेस कवर करूंगी जहां हम रुके थे, हमारा ब्यूटीफुल रिजॉर्ट वागमन में कॉल्ड फॉगी नॉल्स रिजॉर्ट, और ऑल्सो व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स वी डिड इन वागमन। आई विल बी टेकिंग अ क्विक टूर ऑफ दैट। So this is our resort. We chose this resort because of the cave rooms which it offers, and it's one of its kind. This is the entrance of the cave resort. It's beautifully carved and well lit. This is the recreation room. And this is the beautiful view of the valley which it offers. Cave reception, जहाँ पे हमेशा कोई ना कोई रहता है, and they are very much helpful and will provide you with whatever things you require. These are the rooms of this cave resort. It's like you are staying in the midst of the tea gardens. The views are the best. मैंने बुकिंग मेक माई ट्रिप से किया है, and this is our room. A beautiful cave room. We were so excited on seeing this. See the Taj Mahal and some beautiful paintings as well. Everything is in carved. ये जो कॉन्सेप्ट है ये बहुत न्यू है. स्पेशली वी हैव ट्रैवल्ड टू मेनी साउथ इंडिया प्लेसेस, बट ऐसा स्टे हम पहली बार कर रहे थे. So it was really fascinating for us. It's beautifully made and all the spaces are utilized properly. Zenana was the name of our room. There are many rooms in this cave resort, and you can go as per your requirement. This is the highlight of this room, the Taj Mahal. Next, we thought we'll go for a tea, and it started raining. But it was for some time and it looked beautiful. This is the view of the complete resort. This is also one of the viewpoints from where you can enjoy the view of the valleys. बारिश हल्की थी. Weather was not cold, but it was decent enough. This resort is really situated at a peaceful place. I highly recommend it for people who are going with family and even with friends. We had a beautiful experience. The resort has its own restaurant, and this is how we were served when we went in. You can have your food with a view like this. हमने अनियन पकौड़े मंगाए थे चाय के साथ, and this is how they gave. After that we came to the recreation room. It was still drizzling. You can see the smoke coming out of the valleys. And we spent quite some time just looking at the view. ये पैसेज वे था हमारे रूम के तरफ, and you can even sit on near to that and enjoy the views. This is the evening time. Look how beautifully they have lit up the whole resort. You can play carom. They also have a theater, and this is what we had for dinner, a light dinner. ये रेस्टोरेंट के बाहर का एरिया है. Even at night, you could feel how serene this place was. The resort had made sure that they had properly lit up so that we can take a tour. The best part about this resort is their people. सब बहुत हेल्पफुल और बहुत फ्रेंडली हैं and they are there to help you. ये सारे नॉर्मल रूम्स हैं. अगर किसी को केव रिजॉर्ट नहीं चाहिए and they need a normal room just like any other resort, you can opt for these rooms and even they are very spacious with all the facilities. But we wanted to try something new, hence we opted for the cave resort. रिजॉर्ट के पास जो व्यू पॉइंट है ये उसी का एक पार्ट है and below this is the cave and the recreation room which I showed some time back. This is on top of that. So it's a beautifully designed resort because it's night, so the valley is not visible. It wasn't much cold but decent enough. Entrance से थोड़ा सामने there's a recreation ground especially for children. Some swings are there. And you can take a walk. Next, we were called for a campfire. After rains, it was a little bit cold and it was good enough to have a campfire. तो वो लोग कॉल करके आपसे पूछेंगे whether you want to come for a campfire because at least there should be 2 to 3 families, then only they will arrange for this. So obviously we opted for this and it was a very good experience. You can sit around the campfire, have some good chit chat with your family and friends and enjoy the beauty of this place. जो स्टाफ हैं रिजॉर्ट के वो लोग एक स्पीकर भी लाए थे. They were playing some good music based on your choice. So altogether it was a beautiful experience. Next morning, this is how the view is. It was mesmerizing. Clouds थे, हल्की सी fog थी. और ये है वैली व्यू. So it's a must visit place for people who want to have a stay in midst of nature. As you can see, there's no traffic, nothing. It's a little bit away from the town and away from all the chaotic traffic and noises. tea gardens. You can just go, walk, sit in between the tea gardens. So it's like a real experience for everyone who loves hill stations. Now we are going to a place for which this resort is again famous for. It has a private stream जो कि rarely किसी resort में होता है, and we have also heard about it through the various vlogs, and this is the entrance of that private stream. It's a deep forest, so I would definitely suggest जब light हो तभी जाएं, and be aware of any kind of insects, especially after rain. Around 10-15 minutes का walk है. It's a kind of a small trek, but once you reach the destination, it's worth it. Everything is worth it. We wanted to go the previous evening, but because it was raining and it was not safe, so we thought we will come the next morning. So early morning, around 6:15, we thought we will come here. This is on the way to that private stream. It's surrounded by tea gardens. Be careful when you are going down because it's a little bumpy road, and this is the private stream. अभी यहाँ पे पानी कम है because usually rainy season में ये full रहता है, but still, as you can see, the place is so beautiful. You can sit here and you can enjoy some peaceful time. The localites told during rainy season this is completely full, and that time obviously the crowd will also be more. Then we returned back and we had breakfast, and then we went for a day outing in this jeep. जो resort के management है, you can talk to them. वो लोग ही आपके लिए एक jeep ride arrange कर देंगे. We got it at 5,000. They will take you out for around 7 to 8 hours drive around the city, then off-roading. So it's probably the best option. Usually हम जब hill stations जाते हैं हम अपनी कार से ही जाते हैं, but वागमन first time आए थे, so we thought we will explore it with the vehicle of the own place. So it's a must try experience. First spot, obviously the glass bridge. It's a unique structure, and it's a must visit whenever you are in Pargaman. These all activities, glass bridge, it's inside an adventure park जहाँ पे एंट्री टिकट लगती है, and even for glass bridge and if you want to do any other activities you have to pay a certain amount and then you can come. ताकि ग्लास ब्रिज पे ज़्यादा लोड ना हो, वो एक टाइम पे कुछ लोगों को ही अलाउ करते हैं. So you can go, get some pictures and then you can move out. Next stop in the same adventure park is this flower garden. हर हिल स्टेशंस में इस तरह के फ्लावर गार्डन्स होते हैं, जैसे कि स्पेशली ऊटी, दार्जिलिंग, एवरीवेयर. ऊटी का रोज़ गार्डन बहुत फेमस है, बट दिस फ्लावर गार्डन is actually very much unique because it has numerous varieties of flowers and the space is very huge is what I observed. If you go here, we went at a time when there was no crowd, but अगर आप crowd के time पे भी जाते हो, I don't think it will be a problem because they have lots of space. And see these beautiful flowers. They have maintained it so well that it looks so pretty and is a treat to the eyes. You can spend quite a good amount of time here without being bored and there's a lot to explore. हर जगह सिटिंग अरेंजमेंट है, फूड है, all the facilities are there. This is how it looks from outside. वो जो आप बैकग्राउंड में हिल टाइप देख रहे हो, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड मीडोज. और बहुत सारे फिल्म, सीरियल, सबकी शूटिंग होती है यहाँ पे. इवन पीपल प्रेफर दिस फॉर देयर प्री वेडिंग शूट्स and everything because it's such a scenic place. ये व्यू इतना अच्छा है that we don't want to take our eyes off. ये एक सीटिंग अरेंजमेंट है जहाँ पे शाम में लाइट शो होता है and the app, all the audience can sit here. It's beautifully made. Some are also there in the shade just in case you don't want to be in the sun. ये selfie point है and this, as I was telling, all these are picture spots, all of these. तो हमने यहाँ पे कुछ बहुत अच्छा टाइम बिताया. We grabbed some ice creams and had a relaxing time. फिर हम पाइन फॉरेस्ट गए. As you all know, it's a must visit place whenever you are in hill stations. तो ये फिर से एक बहुत खूबसूरत जगह थी. You can just keep walking. But इस टाइम तक it was almost lunch time and we were almost exhausted. So we just explored some parts of it. Entrance पे photo frames हैं. If you want to take a photo with your family, आप photos ले सकते हो and they will frame it for you. And as usual, pine forest is something which is very much photogenic. हर जगह पे आप photo ले सकते हो. हर जगह seating arrangement है just in case you are tired. You can just sit there. इवन दो हम बहुत सारे हिल स्टेशंस गए हैं, बट पाइन फॉरेस्ट हम कभी मिस नहीं करते, बिकॉज इसकी जो ब्यूटी है वो इट्स अनकम्पेरेबल एंड इट्स अ डिफरेंट वाइब ऑल टुगेदर. ये सारे फुटप्रिंट्स हैं एनिमल्स के जो कि गवर्नमेंट ने लगाए थे. नेक्स्ट फ्रॉम देयर वी वेंट टू अ स्ट्रीम. इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ अ स्मॉल वाटरफॉल. और इसका बेस्ट पार्ट ये है that this tunnel which you are seeing, it's almost 4 kilometers deep. This is the waterfall on the other side of that tunnel. So वागमन में बहुत कुछ है करने को. As long as you're having a proper vehicle and time, you can plan a lot of things. Next, we came to another viewpoint. This is how the view is. यहाँ पे भी बहुत शांति थी. अब क्योंकि हम ऑफ सीजन में गए थे, तो मार्च अप्रैल में यूजुअली उतनी क्राउडेड नहीं होती है ये प्लेसेस. So you can relax and have your complete time. You can see the clouds and the wind. Now, this is the off-roading. जब आप एक जीप हायर करते हो, वो आपको सारे सिनिक स्पॉट्स, टूरिस्ट स्पॉट तो लेके जाएंगे ही. दे विल ऑल्सो टेक यू फॉर अ ऑफ-रोडिंग. ऑलमोस्ट 2.5 hours का ऑफ-रोडिंग होता है. These are the roads and this is how it looks. Again, this is a must-have experience of off-roading whenever you are in Wagaman. Then we came back to our resort after a complete day of exploring, and this is how the weather looked. It was complete windy, full dark black clouds, and we sat there for almost 3 to 4 hours. This again is another highlight of the resort. ये एक प्राइवेट थिएटर है, just for the guest. आप अपने चॉइस का बता सकते हो आपको क्या देखना है. They have a system, they will play it for you. So it's like you have lots of things to explore here. The resort itself is a complete package. Plus, they will arrange a jeep or whatever vehicle you want and you can go for the day tour. This was our day 3rd in Wagaman, early morning. I would highly recommend this place for the kind of food, the vibes, the staff, everybody, and the kind of facilities it has. And it makes it easier for you to explore the city because they themselves will arrange for everything. आप बस बता दो आपको कहाँ जाना है, what's your budget, everything, and they will arrange things for you. Then after breakfast, we left for Bangalore. As usual, this will always be a memorable trip for us. First time on Vagamanai, and the distance from Bangalore to Vagaman is quite far, but we successfully completed this trip. रोड्स बहुत अच्छे हैं, बिकॉज ऑफ विच हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई. And the valley view is something which we will remember always. ये सारे हेयर पिन बेंड्स हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली प्लीज़ बी वेरी केयरफुल व्हेन यू आर ड्राइविंग. ये सारे व्यूज़ इतने अच्छे थे कि हमें बीच बीच में उतरना पड़ रहा था so that we can witness this. You can see the far roads, right? The zigzag roads of the mountains. बिल्कुल मूवी का सीन. Like this. This is how it is showed in movies. So you feel very happy when you are at places like this. So close to the nature. No chaos, nothing. हम अराउंड 10 o'clock स्टार्ट किए थे रिजॉर्ट से. इट वॉज गोइंग टू बी अ लॉन्ग ट्रिप. On the way to the Bangalore, in between बहुत सारे eateries हैं where you can freshen up and have something, grab something. So it's very convenient. And of course the roads are well maintained. It was almost 6:37 by the time we reached Bangalore. was a great and a memorable trip. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe my channel because we both, husband and wife, we are a travel freak and we keep exploring places and happy to share our experiences with you. Do comment on what you liked, what you would like to see more, and we can interact on the same. See you in the next video.